Hi, this is Rich Lavens of Watlow, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on a Eurotherm 6000 series, specifically something called the Bridge Software. So Bridge Software allows you to mimic the screen of the recorder on your PC. So you'll be able to push the buttons on your keyboard and use your mouse and all that. So it's really handy. There are two versions of Bridge. One is called Bridge Lite. One is called Bridge Full. Bridge Lite allows you to mimic the operator screens on your PC, just like you were standing in front of the recorder. And then there's a paid version called Bridge Full. Bridge Full allows you to mimic the button pushes, just like on the operator side, but it also allows you to get into configuration mode. So we're going to determine what I have here. So first, from the recorder standpoint, we're going to log in as engineer, and we've got to enter our password. Now my password's going to be different than yours, so don't pay attention to what I entered. So we're in engineer, and now we have to determine what version of Bridge we have. So down in the lower right, we're going to hit the 5 cubes, and we're going to log in to operator. I'll show you how I did that. So again, we started here, we enter our password, 5 cubes, operator. Go to the config tab and drag it all the way to the bottom, and you'll see options. And somewhere about halfway down, you'll see the bridge level. Now I have full. If you ordered a recorder and you have Bridge Lite and you want Bridge Full, we can do a field upgrade for you. So just get a hold of your account manager or a distributor that you're working with, and we can walk you through that. So we've determined that I have Bridge Full. Next, we have to enable that. So we're going to go to Security, and we're going to go to Access. Connect from remote. You must check that box. Once that's checked, you're going to enter a remote username, mine is history, and you'll put in a remote password and have to retype it. So in my case, I used history, history, history. What you do there is up to you. So that is really that simple. So let's log out here, and we'll go back to my PC, and I'll show you the software. All right, so I'm over at my PC, and so Bridge is a free download from the Eurotherm.com or Watlow.com website, and I've already installed mine, so let's find that. So we're going to find the Eurotherm folder, and we are going to go to Bridge. So the first thing I need to know is the IP address of my recorder. So here, 192.168.111.222. Your IP address of your PC will have to have the first 3 fields the same, but the last field is going to be different. So remember the username. I said I used the same one. So there's that history username we put in. I require a password. When I hit start, it's going to ask me for my password. So username is history, and in my case, I use the same history, hit enter. So now the system's starting up. And here I'm looking at the actual recorder. This is live. So again, up here, we're logged out. So just like hitting the buttons on the recorder, I can hit the up or down arrows. So you can see I've got some trends going. There's a round chart, so forth. I can change groups by going left to right. I can come in here and I can start and stop batches. However, with the Bridge Lite, when you get to here, if you go to logged out, you cannot get into the engineer mode with Bridge Lite. In my case, I can. So there's the engineer. I'm going to click there. I'm going to enter my password. And now you can see I'm in that engineer mode. From there, I can do anything through Bridge Full that I could do at the recorder instrument in the engineering level. So again, everything's accessible to me in Bridge Full. Bridge Lite, not so much. So anyway, the big thing to learn there is go to your recorder. You're going to go to security. You're going to go to access. There's that remote username and password. If I know it, I can get in through Bridge Full and change it. But if I don't know it, it's going to have to go through the recorder itself and go in and set that up. Again, I want to connect from remote. Whatever your username and password is, then you should be able to connect through Bridge and Bridge Full. Hope you find this video helpful, but let us know. Thank you so much. Bye.